Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. We're here today to do a little bit of an unveil of some more parts for the Nova. So here we go. You can see we got a few boxes here to open up. Got the heater on in the shop. Temperature's kind of warming up there a little bit. So we got a few things to open up here. So I'll get this thing turned around and we'll show you what we got coming for the Nova. First off, we'll get this box opened up. One-handed here. You can probably tell what this is right off the bat. The Nova's going to get some new parts this year. Where are we at here? Okay, we'll get it slit here. One-handed, it's not very easy. Listen to that, you can kind of hear what it is. There we go. A nice Edelbrock. Nice Edelbrock chrome valve cover. Well, that's one of the new pieces going on the Nova this year. These here. Now this is the ones one of the pieces I've been real excited to get. I've got some more stuff coming. See what that is in a second. I know what that is. But look at this, guys. Oh, I'll have to open this up. Cool. Get this out of here. Look at that. So this is an Aussie Speed intake manifold. Oh yeah. Thank you for buying Aussie Speed. Let's lift this up here. Nice decal for the toolbox. And look at this. New intake manifold. for the 6-cylinder. I decided to keep the 6 in on the car and do a little bit of fuel system upgrade. So this here is an adapter plate. To go from 4-barrel to 2-barrel, and you'll be able to see what I got next here. We'll show you what the plans are for that. Maybe I'll undo this thing here in a second. Let's see what they sent here. Oh yeah, isn't that going to be cool? I'll have to get this hung up. It's a banner. Aussie Speed sent a nice banner that I can, I don't know, hang up somewhere in the shop. I got my license plates hung up there. Maybe I'll hang it up in here somewhere. We're not too sure yet, but I'll definitely hang this up. Thanks you guys to Aussie Speed in Australia for, like I said, a really cool looking intake manifold. Now we'll get to the last box. Okay, now we're going to open up the last box, and this is the going to be the new fuel system for the car. So what I need to do is I'll put this on the ground, and I'll pick these 2 pieces out of here, and we'll see what we've got. Okay, the first box. Oh yeah, I've decided to put Holley EFI on the car. And this is the 2-barrel version. So there's the EFI unit, and the Holley, the Aussie Speed came with an adapter plate, but I know this is the wrong size. I have to get the size to get this to fit the small bore unit. This is the small bore unit, so I have to get an adapter plate to adapt this to the small bore unit. I knew that going into it. But I might be able to even modify that plate, clean that up, and even modify that plate to fit that. So I'll have to look at that in the springtime. We have all the hookup cables, instructions, more cables, O2 sensor. Here's the programming pad for it. Temperature sensor, and of course I bought the complete kit. So I'll open up the second box and I'll show you what's involved in the second piece of this kit. Here's the second piece of the kit, and this comes with fuel line, all the fittings. It comes with the fuel filter, more fittings. Again, instructions. I bought the fuel filter, and it comes with a fuel pump. So it's got all that stuff that you don't have to buy extra. It all comes in this kit, which is great. You don't have to hunt around for stuff. You get everything in that kit, which is real good. And then up there, right up there, I've got a brand new fuel tank and straps to put in, and I got a fuel sending unit. So that will go back in the car. So we're all set for the fuel system. I've got one more thing to show you. The other piece I picked up is a Turbo 350 transmission. Used. It came out of a good running car, and they're not hard to install. So it's got the converter and everything. I'm going to clean this all up. I'm going to reseal it, and then we'll put this in the Nova. I've got some more stuff coming. to go with this, and we'll put it in, and then I'll have a 3-speed in the car. We'll get rid of that torque drive manually shifted power glide out of that car, and hopefully this transmission works good. If it doesn't, again, no big deal. We can always take it out and reseal it or rebuild it, so I'll have a good core. So that's all I have. That's all I have for today, everybody. And I hope you enjoyed the unveiling of all these parts. And we'll see you on the next video when I have a few more things to open that haven't shown up. So again, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.